Hey, what's up? Hello everyone, welcome you back to my channel, Anthony Lazy MC. And today, the video I will sharing with you about how to promote your business for local on Instagram without running any pennies for advertising. Okay, so this technique is I learning from GaryVee. He used to use this technique for his Twitter to build up his personal branding and his business brand on Twitter many years ago. However, it's still working in nowadays, in this year, in today when you apply for this one, but in another social media platform on Instagram. Okay, so how to do this one? In this video, I will have two versions for you. The first one is for the business that's just focused on the local, who just in the very specific area. And the second one is for business that's who doing the business not only for local but also for international. Because the reason is now the development of e-commerce and after the COVID-19, the people moving more online and people love to buy the stuff online more. So this is open more opportunities for all the business to do it. And knowing how to advertising for free on Instagram is one of the best way that can help you to get a lot of potential client and save a lot of money. So the first way to promote your business for the local is you will go to the Instagram on here. I will show the screen here. And then you will looking for the searching tool. And on the searching tool, you will figure out that's about the location. So on this location, you will choose the location that you target the audience in. For example, like I live in Melbourne, so I will looking for the location in Melbourne. And when looking for location in Melbourne, I will looking for the top 10 or even 20 posts that's the most related to my category. For example, like if you do the business about fashion, maybe you will want to looking for the picture about fashionista who live in Melbourne that's just sharing on the location here, or for some very nice and fancy pictures or the image or the video relates to the fashion. And now this is the tip. So when you're looking for the exactly the post, the content that relates to your category, you will come into that post, you will like that post, and then you also give the comment for them. So the comment itself, it can be a compliment. It say, oh wow, this is great, I really love this. Or it can be more thoughtful about what do you think about that one, about this post. Because when you sharing the comment, let's think. So when you comment on this post, it gives you the opportunity to read the follower of this account. The people who view this post will also can see your comment, and when they see your comment, they can also come back to your account to see, wow, who this guy is, or what's this brand is. And then from that, you get more potential to get the potential client, right? This is the way that's how you can read the local, choosing the picture on the local one, and then start to comment on the post. And this, for example, like if they are the small account, they don't have a lot of comment. So when you have a comment on their account, they will very appreciate this, and they will say, oh wow, who comment on my account that I don't know him about before. So they will come to your account to have a look what you do and who you are. And at that moment, it means that you have the more reach to your personal account or your company account. This is a good chance to expose your branding for the local on this way. It will take a little bit of time, but I mean that this one is running very effectively, because when you can do this one, you have a real reaction, real connection. But compared to the advertising, it can cost you more money and it can reach more people, but it's not make sure that people will reaction come back to you. But this way, when you reaction and you comment to them, and if you can make a good comment, a thoughtful comment, you can have a lot of like on this comment, and a lot of people will interesting in finding who you are and what you do. Yeah. And for the second way, this one is also used for not only local but also for international. So it means that when you're looking on Instagram, you're looking for searching tool, you will looking for the hashtags tool. So when you're looking for hashtag tool, for example, like before I talk is about the fashion brand. So we're looking for the hashtag, for example, like fashion or the street outfit. And then here you can find the top, the picture about the street outfit, right? And from the top picture of street outfit, you also use the same strategy that I recommend before. It means that you come into the nice picture that's relevant to your field, your category, and then comment. It should be a thoughtful comment, or it can be compliment, because people will love to hear the good thing about them, and people also love to hear that someone that have a very good knowledge and have a lot of experience to sharing their view on the Instagram. Maybe you don't know, but actually on Instagram, many people, they come not only to see the post, but also come to see the comment. So if you have a very good comment, the chance for you to exposure on Instagram is very, very huge. Okay, so this is the way how you can promote your brand on the local as well as on international for free without running advertising. And I hope that this video is helping you to understand more about the way how you can do one hack for your Instagram account in today. Okay, and make sure to subscribe for my channel, Anthony Lee MC, to watch more content about digital marketing and social media every single week. Yeah, see you.